This is not a drill.
You ready?
Sure you can handle this?
Ah, your mama! now that's a lot of damage!
Hasn't gone completely the way that we want.
Power Putty to the rescue.
We got Phil showing up any minute. He should be on set within an hour, and we should be getting our first shot.
Hello, Philip Swift here for Flex Seal Power Putty. Shined it up so the weapon is very shiny and pointy. So this will pierce right into the cutoff, like boom, the water goes whee, it spits out, right? And then I pick up the power putty and and it's a seal. All of a sudden I turned Italian and it's a seal.
Set. 3, 2, 1, action.
Power putty can stop the toughest leak.
He's f***ing hitting it.
All right. Am I?
Yeah.
We're adding 2 more cameras.
Am I, Dad? Am I?
You're gonna let me?
Yeah.
It's like having all the incredible sealing power of Flex Seal right in the palm of your hand. Let's go, Mo!
Nice energy, Phil. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, Phil Swift here. This is Flex Seal Power Putty. Power Putty can instantly stop the toughest leaks. It has all the incredible sealing power of Flex Seal right in the palm of your hand.
Marcus.
It gives you all the incredible sealing power of Flex Seal right in the palm of your hand. And now a word from our sponsor.
With millions of cans sold, people trust Flex Seal. Get Flex Seal, now with a great new look.
That's fun. I like that. Now that's a lot of damage. How about a little more? I'm done.
Take your energy, Phil. And 3, 2, 1, action.
This is Flex Seal Power Putty. I got soaking wet, but this held up great.
Delay of game. We have a big demo set up. We attempted it a couple different times. It hasn't gone completely the way that we wanted.
No, not today. Today, no. We're gonna perfect this and then show you what we got tomorrow.
Okay.
So everything's going to the shop for testing, is that right?
Apparently the water is going all over the place and it's not going where it should be going. A good portion of it is going over the side. So George and his team need some time to work through it, and they said come back tomorrow and we'll try it again. This is Schmeck Schmear Schmauer Schmutty. It's an amazing new rubberized schmompound. And all you do is you smush it on the leak and it schmops leaks schminstantly. Pretty incredible. And check this out. Power Putty can instantly fill large gaps, cracks, and holes. It stops water dead in its tracks. Plus, it can be removed and repositioned. So you can use it again and again.
Camera department, are you ready? Cameras are rolling, we're good. Go for it. You heard it, George. Get hot. This is not a drill.
Made a special jig so that we could create these spikes.
Is it sharp?
Is it sharp? You tell me, is it sharp?
All right, we're ready to go. Start rolling. Chad, all clear?
All clear now.
All right, going. I think the saying is that's a lot of damage. I believe that's applicable here. As you can see, we're prepping the truck. Number one thing is the truck's got to look good no matter what, because that's what everyone is here for. We're actually waiting for the fire inspector to come, make sure we're clear with all of our safety gear, and as soon as he arrives and gives us his blessing, then we're good to go.
We're gonna be only when we use it on camera. Not gonna be playing with it, not gonna be this. It's gonna be literally just on the shot.
That sounded good.
I think I hit that boat. All right, so listen. What I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna
Hang on. I can't hear you.
What I'm gonna do.
Wait, how about now?
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go down there, and then I'm gonna come really fast, and I'm gonna smash into that boat. Let's come on, check it out. You guys ready? Sure you can handle this?
Here we go, guys. And 3, 2, 1, action.
All right, let's do this. Holy jamoli! Ah! You ready? Ah! Ah, your mama! Now that's a lot of damage. Well, that's it. That's a wrap. Great job, guys. Power Putty to the rescue.
So you guys get a first-hand point of view of that truck smashing the boat. What did you think of it? Tell us. We gotta know.
I just asked Roy. Roy's just gonna let us know when he's closing.
When we tested the boat out, we put it in the water, and the spear holes were held by the putty perfectly. There's not one drop of water. One thing we noticed is that heavy impact that Phil did, he went faster than we asked him to.
By the time I get almost there, I'll be at 40 or 50s. I don't know. Keep up with me.
He hit it so hard, he bent the boat up, but as soon as you bang it the way he did, it loses its integrity, and water started seeping in where the rivets are. At first we were kind of, we were bummed. We said, you know what, we have enough product, we're actually sealing the rivets with our product. Good thing we had enough. So this wasn't part of the original plan, but you gotta do what you got to do to make it work and get the shot.
Ready for you, so Michael.
Success on the boat, Jeff. Success on the boat. We're ready to shoot this thing. Let's get it done.
And the inside's completely dry. And when I see a good one, I'm gonna say go. You're gonna take off, we're gonna slow down, and you're gonna just keep fist pumping.
And the inside is completely dry. This putty is great. I'm telling you what, held up great. Hitting the waves, pounding, making big turns, no problem. This is good stuff. I hope you enjoyed the spot, the BTS, the YouTube, and anything else that we put out. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. But anyway, like I said, Power Putty is incredible. And I hope that you go out there, try it out. You're going to love it. And thanks for watching.